What's up, guys? Bringing something to my YouTube channel. This 5.3 come up out of Everlane. Came out of Everlane, so it was knocking. I was told it was tapping, but once I received the vehicle and actually crank it up, kind of find out the bottom end knocking. And this is why right here. This will be cylinder 3 and 4. Cylinder 3 and 4. And this the piston rod bearing. Burnt together. That's 2 pieces, but it's one. One will come out. These pistons right here. This one came out of off of that. Look at that. So this here is cam. Go ahead and replace all that. The cam, the crank, piston rods, all that gonna have to be replaced. You can tell where it's going to separate right there, but it's stuck on there. And it might roll free now since I got them 2 out. No, it's still stuck. I should be able to roll it, push it. But, those the heads. There's some 706 head come off there. We got the parts over here. Do some of the way like the oil pump. Going here through the way. I gotta get the cam out. I ain't even had the cam out yet. So this here got to be fully rebuilt. Crank, from the crank on up. For them 2 they're gone. I came up. Look at that. Them is stuck. But on 305. But yep, this is what I'm doing. I just pulled it out today, out the truck. So I'm breaking it down, inspecting it. Crank burn up. So I don't know what the guy will want to do. I mean, it's best I just get another 5.3, get another motor because it doesn't hurt. By the time you put the money in there, so you get there right across them a nice one. It's bad. But yeah, guys, I gotta get back into the videos, but I still have some stuff I wanna get situated up in here. But once I do that, we go real soon. So when I get ready to my next video, hopefully I have my shop floor painted, and we'll be in business. It's a 6.0 here. It's a 6.0 and a 4S60 trans. I'm gonna put that together, combine them together, so I can get ready to drop it off in the car. You know, working on. From my head, there come out some 243 head that came off my truck. I'm just rambling, but man, this is where we at with this motor right here. So I keep our guys updated. This route we could go with it. Alright.